Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use the Locket widget without phone number on your iPhone. So if you want to use the Locket widget without phone number, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Locket widget app on a device. So if you have not installed the Locket widget app, you just need to install it from your App Store or Play Store on the device. So that is according to your device which you are using. So if you are using Android, you just need to download it from Play Store. To use the Locket widget with our phone number, you just need to open the Locket widget app on your device, and here you will see the option of create an account. So click on it, and from here you will see the option which says enter your email. So you just need to enter your email to your account, and you just need to click on the option of continue. And after clicking on the option of continue, you just need to create a password for your account and make sure that you enter a strong password, and also you may add your friends from the same page and all of it. And after following all the on-screen instructions, you'll be able to use the Locket widget without phone number. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.